Jacob Erwin Wetterling equals 233. Wetterling equals 133. Name equals 33. And today is 33 days after Jacob Wetterling's birthday, which was on Friday the 17th of February 2017. Interesting how wet it is this week. We've had a couple of inches of rain in the last couple of days and probably another inch today by the looks of it. The wetter boy. We have a nice breeze blowing today as well. And of course Jake's boyfriend is Nathan Breeze. 13-year-old Nathan and 11-year-old Jake. Two combined are Jayton, the Storm Boy.